Hey guys, it's me TJ here, and I have two more Hot Wheels to unbox. Let's get right into it. The first one is the 18 Camaro SS. It's a new for 2018. It's also the Hot Wheels 50th anniversary, and it's a Muscle Mania. No special feature. There you can read about it if you want. You can pause the video. So let's open it up. Here it is, like the wheels. Pretty cool. It's a nice color. Next up is a Hot Wheels 50th anniversary. It's also best for track. It's a Hot Wheels Exotics. You guys guessed it, it's the legendary Twin Mill. This one's a classic, very classic Hot Wheels. I believe it was one of the first ones. Let's open it up. I believe I already have a Twin Mill. I think it's a Twin Mill 2, actually. This is just the original Twin Mill right here. There it is. Got a nice stripe right down the middle. Got the Hot Wheels logo back here. You can see inside of there. So right guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!